5 in the morning. You see little Rachel over there. We're packing up the tent to hit the trail. Reflection Canyon, here we come.
All right. You ready, Rach?
I'm ready.
It is 6:05. We are 5 minutes late. Off schedule, not late. Wish us luck out there.
We all got our packs on and we're ready to go.
It's bigger than I am.
10 miles to go. Almost there. We made it, guys.
I'm just dying, it's fine. Wait, make a video for the vlog right now. Okay, so little
Almost 3
update.
hours.
We've been sitting on this
Halfway.
rock, this lovely rock in front of Reflection Canyon, roasting under the
roasting out
sun, wherever it is. I don't even know anymore. How's it going over there, partner? So, another update. We've been sitting on this rock for like 6 hours now. 6.5. The sun has gone behind this little mountain, so we got lots of shade now. Rachel?
I survived my heat stroke.
She survived a heat stroke. She was about dead. And Amanda is taking a nap.
We're back. We survived our backpacking trip, which was 16 miles. And now we're going to Calf Creek Falls. And we stayed in a hotel last night. It's really nice. Courtney's back is like broken. How are you feeling?
Great.
I have like 13 blisters on my foot. Rachel's heat stroke is over.
It's over.
My GoPro died because we were out on the rock for like 7.5 hours, just like dying of heat in 90-degree weather. And my GoPro died. So we got a little bit of footage on Courtney's phone that we'll add in. But we are headed to Calf Creek Falls and then Bryce Canyon.
Do you have the
So,
hoses over there?
Let's go.
I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name. So beautiful. With my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting. I'm on fire. You got me waiting. My desire. Keep on moving. Do the purpose now.
I'm cold.
The water is a little cold. I wonder how cold it was.
On the ocean. Keep on moving. Do the purpose now. To the ending.
So we just left Bryce Canyon. Courtney's singing.
Sorry.
We're exhausted, our feet hurt, our backs hurt, our knees hurt. We're just hurting. We have no idea where we're sleeping tonight again. Pizza for breakfast, a bar for lunch. We haven't had dinner yet. We're just doing really. Anything else? Did I miss anything else? Bryce Canyon is our favorite so far. It's our favorite. Really pretty. And that's it.
No.
What's the game plan, Courtney?
Okay, Rachel's gonna cook dinner. Amanda and I are gonna set up the tent, and then we're gonna hit the jacuzzi till 10 p.m. Hands in.
Team on 3, ready? 1, 2, 3, team! Tent is up in record time.
Mission accomplished.
Mission accomplished. Rachel has dinner coming.
Food is being made. We're having
What's for
chili
dinner?
mac with beef.
Chili mac with beef.
1 more minute.